So this is the latest flagship from Oriveti. They have been making IEMs for a while, and the OV500 was very well known for its bass and everything. And what I have here with me is the OV700. This is different from that because we are getting a tuning switch here, and we are getting more drivers too. Very good looking IEM, you guys can see wooden finish on it, so it looks very good, very good. And the size isn't huge either, around 2 centimeters uh, in the on the back, I believe. And they have opened it. I'm not exactly sure why people tend to tear this apart. This is kind of foolish, but there are no other ways to look at it. In any case, these are the earpieces. They look nice, Oriveti. Do we have any mention of the model number or anything like that? No, they have not. They have not mentioned the model number or anything at all. So we are getting two switches and a good looking earpiece. Let's have a look at the setup accessories. I'm not expecting anything different from the OD200. So we are supposed to have some tips here. Have a set of tips. Come on, yeah. Set of tips. Exactly same set of tips. Nothing exactly fancy or different here. So that is okay. No issues with the tips or anything like that. I'm not going to use this either because I have already have this generic kind of tips with me. So nothing I need to look into this accessories. And the exactly same case we have with the OD200. So yeah, even though this is more premium, there isn't anything more premium-ish about it, and most probably exactly same cable too. So let me check. Yes. This is kind of funny, but we are getting exactly same cable with a $700 IEM and $200 IEM. In any case, a lot of brands do that. It's not uncommon, but yeah, I was expecting a slightly more premium cable here. In any case, this is exactly it. There isn't anything interesting about it. Priced at $700 to be precise. This is OV200 is priced at $700. I'm not going to use this tips. Okay, wow, nice. There's a good looking nozzle, golden accent to it. And can we see the drivers here? We kind of can see the drivers here. Good looking, very good looking. I like this semi-transparent kind of designs, and they look nice. They look very good. Good looking IEM. So I'll be comparing it with a handful of IEMs. I'm getting the Shure OJ07M2. So I'll be comparing it with that. Kinera Odin is Kinera Oud is there, and I'll compare it with a couple other IEMs in this price range. So yeah, watch out for this space for the OV700VB variable base comparison with other IEMs in this price range. So this is it. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.